I personally have done all these full moon rituals, and I have noticed really abundance in every part in my life. Special news for you all. I have launched my full moon ritual course. You can click on the link below and register there. It is a recorded course. It is a full moon ritual course which you can do every month when there is full moon, and manifest love in your life, manifest money, wealth, finance in your life. There is a negativity removal ritual also there. So if you are feeling that a lot of negative blockages are coming in your way, जहाँ पे आपको अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ काम होते होते रुक रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ ब्लॉकेज आ रहा है, so you can really perform these rituals. So before starting any ritual, I recommend that you can do the negativity removal ritual which is there in the recorded course. After that, you can do a ritual for money, for wealth, for finance, for abundance, for self love, for luck, for relationships as well, for obsession and loyalty as well. So, there are many rituals there in the recorded course. You can click on the link and enroll for the course. I personally have done all these full moon rituals, and I have noticed really abundance in every part in my life. So click on the link and share a review if you have liked those rituals. Thank you so much, everyone. And this blue moon is really special with lots of abundant energies which can help you in manifestation. So do not miss them, and we know if you have any doubts related to rituals, or else even let me know if you have got abundant miracles in your life. Thank you so much, everyone. Gratitude always.